In this video, I will show you how to join a guild on Discord without waitlist. So in order to do that, let me head over right here to thisboard.org, and you should be able to see in here some servers that are tagged as guild. You can see the community, the gaming, as well as the eh, language they spoke of, as well as the games they play. So for example, let's just head over and then choose one. Like for example, this one. You can click on this join the server right here. So as you can see, they are not a dating server, and you can participate in the server. You automatically agree to the rules. Click on this join the server right here. And then as you can see right here, this will redirect you in order to join that particular server. Now, just wait for this right here. Now, from there, click on this accept invite, and then this will accept the invite for that. Put in here your if app invite with guild onboarding, and then as you can see, this will open your Discord. So click on open right here in order to open it, and you should be able to see them right here. As you can see right now, it's on the pending application, so you can click on that guild. So you need just need